Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the foundations done, install a reliable launcher and an icon pack you like. You need a clean wallpaper, choose a minimalist or muted gradient that won't clash with icons. Next, back up your current home layout so you can revert if needed. Once done, open the launcher settings and set it as default. This gives you grid control and gesture options. Make sure to grant any permissions the launcher asks so it can manage icons and widgets correctly. Now you refine the visual hierarchy by adjusting the grid and icon scale. You want a 6x5 or 7x5 grid to balance empty space and usability. Change the icon size so labels aren't cramped, and hide labels if the icons are clear. Place one large clock or calendar widget at top left and a smaller music or search widget for function. Once arranged, use folders for related apps and maintain consistent margins. This makes the screen look intentional rather than cluttered. Finish by polishing gestures, the dock, and subtle accents so everything feels cohesive. You should set gestures for fast actions like swipe up for app drawer and limit the dock to 4 or 5 essentials. Then, tweak accent colors in the launcher or system UI to match the wallpaper. This unifies the look. If things go wrong, clear the launcher's cache or restore the backup you made. If icons misbehave, reapply the icon pack and reboot the tablet to resolve lingering glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.